Over a few years, air conditioners get disgusting. Dust, pollen, mold, dirt, twigs, dead spiders, all kinds of grossness gets in there. It's time to clean it up. Start by disassembling everything. Take off the front covers, the filter, all the control panels, and the exterior box. Vacuum out the filter. You should probably do this every year anyway. The box is held on with a whole bunch of screws. Find them all. If it doesn't slide off easily, you haven't found them all yet. If there's one that's really confusing you, check underneath the wing holders. There's a screw under there sometimes. These control faces are kind of tough to get off. You have to press the tabs in and then it slides right off. You should also be able to take that styrofoam piece off that's covering up the fan mechanism. This is pretty gross. Vacuum everything out. And then start cleaning out the gunk in the fans. Best way to do this, bleach and a toothbrush. Just get in between every blade, scrub it good. You can also scrub out the fan itself and the motor. Then to clean up the messy bleach, just wrap a paper towel around a chopstick and scrub it all clean. Wash down that filter real good. We just use dish soap and water.
Yeah. I want to see it cleaned. Yeah.
Dry it off. Clean up that front grate. I also washed that outer cover, gave it a good scrubbing, and then hosed all the soap off it, just because that was easier. That's good for it.
It's slippery now.
And it's time to put everything back together. Slip that styrofoam back into place. And then start screwing the cover back on. You do want to try to remember which screws go where. The ones with the washers go on the exterior portion of the air conditioner. And when I say exterior, I mean the part of the air conditioner that sits outside the window. You ever feel like you're being watched? Bella was very sad she couldn't come out and get in the way. Put the front cover back on with the control panel, being careful not to break the wire. Reinstall the filter. Click it into place. And then time to carry it back upstairs and install the whole thing. I built this little wooden piece with some foam on it just to hold the air conditioner on the back since we have replacement windows. It's fun crawling under my kids' beds to plug everything in. Sweet, sweet, cool air.